Sadie. Sadie, you're such a pretty dog. Come here, Sadie. Taylor, she's scared of the camera. Oh. Sadie. Hi, Sade. Hi, girl. You're such a good dog. You're the cutest dog in the world. Say hi to everybody. Aw. Taylor, can you just say something? Look at my jacket right there. Oh, 2 jackets up there that are mine. Cute. Taylor's shoes. Let's zoom in on them. This camcorder is the coolest thing I've ever had in my life. Do you have anything you want to say to national TV? I hate the color of the walls in there. Mom's stupid for painting them that color. She paid like $200 for that, and I could have like painted it myself. That picture right there. That's a really big clock. It's 6:23 or 6:24. I can't tell. That's a ceiling fan. It's going really, really fast. Hey, did you see that episode on TV where the guy like stuck his tongue in the ceiling fan? It was on like Conan O'Brien or something.